It's a journey through time, across a landscape that has been sculpted over millions of years. To navigate this terrain, knowledge of the Kaibab Trail, which serves as our guide from the south to the North Rim, is crucial. The trail, with its unique challenges and rewards, requires careful research and understanding. This includes knowing the terrain, the weather conditions, and the physical demands of the journey. Equally important is securing a backcountry permit. This is not just a formality, it's an agreement to respect and protect the Grand Canyon's delicate ecosystem. And finally, gear up. From water and food supplies to sturdy boots and a reliable backpack, every item in your gear list is a companion that will help you conquer the Grand.